Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second episode to add icon font in a simple ebook landing page. In the previous episode, we added an icon font using Font Awesome, and today we will add this information icon using icomoon. First of all, you can open icomoon site in a new tab. You can type icomoon.com. Then you can click on this icomoon app. You will then see a lots of icon over here. You can click on whichever icon you want to use. Also, if you want to use more icon, then you can click on this add icon from library. Then you can use the free version. So let's use this one for example. And then you can see the icon has been loaded over here. You can again choose any icon from here. At the bottom, you can see you have made 5 selection of the icon. Once you're happy with this icon, then you can click on generate font. But for now, I don't want to use any of this icon, so I will just deselect it. And instead, I want to use this information icon. So in the search bar over here, I can just search for info. Then I can click on the icon. And once I'm happy, I can click on this generate font. Then click on this download. You can then open your download folder, extract this zip file, and then inside this fonts folder you can copy all of these fonts and add them inside your project folder. I will add them inside the fonts folder. Then again you can go to your download folder, and this time you can open this style.css. You can then copy everything and add them inside our main.css. I will add them at the very beginning, and then we have to change this URL. Now go back to your icomoon site, and then since this is our icon, you can hover over here and click on this get code. You can then copy this HTML and add them inside our index.html. We have to add the icon in this more information, so I'll just paste it over here. Once done, I can then refresh my site and my information icon is over here. Great. Finally, I will copy this JSON file inside our fonts folder. And this file is required to add other icomoon icons in the future, so we can keep it safe. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we will add this logo using custom SVG in icomoon. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you.